In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an order as delivered on PayPal in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just getting started, knowing how to update the status of your orders on PayPal is an essential skill that helps keep your sales process smooth and organized. Let's walk through this simple process together. To start, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the login button. This will direct you to the secure login page. Make sure you have your email and password handy, as you'll need these credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, PayPal may prompt you to verify your identity. This is a critical security step to ensure that your account remains safe. You can choose to receive a text message which will arrive shortly after selecting the Get a WhatsApp text or Get a Text option. Enter the code you received to complete the verification and you're good to go. Once you're in your PayPal account, you'll land on the home page. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the Activity tab. This tab holds a record of all your recent transactions, providing an overview of your dealings and accounts. Locate the transaction that you wish to update as delivered. This can be done by scrolling through your recent activities or using the search feature if you have many transactions to sift through. Once you find it, click on the transaction to bring up more detailed information. Now you'll notice an option labeled Update Status. Clicking this will open up a new window or section where you can adjust the details associated with your transaction. In our case, you're looking to mark the order as delivered. This change informs both parties that the item has been shipped and received, a crucial step for ensuring buyer satisfaction and maintaining clear communication. Once you've marked the order as delivered, double check that all details are correct before saving. This final confirmation prevents any potential hiccups, and with that you've officially updated the delivery status of your transaction on PayPal. Consider bookmarking this page for future reference, especially if you have recurring sales. With these steps, managing your orders and customer communication through PayPal becomes a seamless part of your business operations. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your online sales in check using PayPal's user-friendly platform. Thanks for joining me, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides like this one.